is creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what to do, baby? I hope you enjoying the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So today I'm here at Crocodile Pool. If you can see, we're going to go on a boat ride and see some crocodiles. I hope you do enjoy the video and keep watching.
You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your
Let's get the show. You can see, yeah. Look, it's not so. Wow. I mean, that's a couple of meters away from me. That's a small.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I
channel again. I hope you did enjoy the video today. You saw some crocodiles and a few bats and everything. But now we're coming to the end of the boat drive. And yeah, it was quite fun, you know. But I would advise you if you were to come here, take 1 hour for sure. And pretty much slept 30 minutes of the whole thing, but it was really nice, you know. It's nice to be in the water. And yeah, now we're coming back. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm not sure if I'll see you guys later, but it is probably good for me right now. I'm closing down the vlog. Catch you guys later.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less
Guys,
than.
we're here in the bush for lunch, and yeah, it's really nice. It's actually a house ranch at the same time and a restaurant here. This guy's gonna make me kill with this editing. Oh my gosh, I should really teach you how to edit, then you would know. But anyways guys, so we're here. What is the name of the place again? I don't know. I'll probably ask the waiter. I'll just put it down on the, you know, just down here. But anyway, it's really a nice place, as you've seen already by now. I'll just walk you around to see the other parts of the yard. So yeah, let's just wait for some lunch and have a great time.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body.
It's so beautiful.
Fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side.
Dumelang. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a spend the day with me today. I'll be working and hopefully I can take you around the office so that you can work with me and have a little snippet. But if I cannot film, then it is what it is. But see you guys later. This is how I'm looking right now. Don't tell anyone I'm not wearing a bra underneath. But yeah, this is how I'm looking right now. Just in a blazer, some gold accessories, some midi like that, some Zara denims, and yeah, this is how I'm looking right now. I don't know if I can have a shoe cam, but I don't like shoe cam because y'all can see all the mess in my background and stuff. But yeah, this is how I'm looking right now today. And yeah, let's get to the office. Hopefully you guys can enjoy. Hopefully you guys will enjoy your day with me. And yeah, let's get it going. y'all just know. So what just happened, I wasn't able to actually take you around because it's actually not allowed to be filming in the office. So now I know, and yeah guys, but I hope you did enjoy working with me, and catch you guys later. I'm just gonna watch a movie or something, and I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna go take a shower, watch a movie or something, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.